Samidoh nĩarekereirie a very deep message kugerera nenda ciake cia ũkinyanĩria kuria Samidoh aronekana gũkorwo akĩhoya ũrekeri na gũkorwo akĩhoya ati people be easy on him. Samidoh akiadmit ati yes, he is not a perfect being. He has stumbled, he has fallen, he has made mistakes. Na he is just a human being and man is to error. Samidoh akiuga yes, anakorwo akĩhĩtia na aka-admit he is not a perfect human being. Na oho akiuga he is in the process of discovering and rediscovering himself. He is still learning, he is still growing. Now with each every step he takes, every day at a time, he is making progress. Na Samidoh akiuga people should not be quick to pass judgment on him. Instead, people should learn to be kind and gentle with others. Todo mũndũ njĩra-inĩ yake ya gũkorwo akĩmenya na gũkorwo akĩdiscover na gũkorwo agĩcenjia mĩgendere yake, trying to better themselves. Samidoh akiuga he is not a perfect being. At times he stumbled, he has fallen, na he has made mistakes, but along the way he is rectifying and growing and learning by the day. Na he calls it a journey of recovery and self-discovery. Samidoh akirekereria ndũmĩrĩri ĩno kũrĩ arũmĩrĩri na mafans ake akĩmera once in a while just be kind to him. Akiuga there are times we stumble and fall. It's during such times that we must not forget how brave and strong we really are. With faith, hope and courage, we get up each time. Being a human being doesn't mean being perfect. It means to learn and grow with each and every step we take. Whether they move forward or backward, it means to be kind and gentle with ourselves. While we are on this journey of recovery and self-discovery, most of it all, it means to keep going and never ever giving up. Arĩ ndũmĩrĩri ya a comforting message kuma gwĩ Samidoh, onake agĩkĩrĩũmĩrĩria agĩkiuga yes, he understands. Nĩoĩ ati he is not a perfect being and people should not be so quick to pass judgment on him. Kana gũkorwo makĩmũtroll nenda-inĩ o torĩa tũkoretwo tũkĩona Samidoh more than once nĩakoretwo okereirwo mũno, kana he has landed on the wrong side ya mafans na arũmĩrĩri ake. Aingĩ mũno makĩmũkĩrĩra more so in terms of kĩhiko gĩake. No Samidoh agakiuga he is not a perfect human being. He is still learning, he is on a journey of recovery and self-discovery. Na agakihoya ati people should just be kind and gentle with him. It wouldn't be fair for people to be passing judgment on him, yet no one is perfect. Na everyone has their stumbles and falls, just like him too. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũ-subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.